In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove blank space between WordPress blocks. Clean, readable spacing can make a huge difference in how your page feels. We'll use the WordPress site editor so you can control the vertical space between blocks without touching code. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and launching the site editor. Navigate to the page or template you want to change, like your home or a specific landing page, so you're editing exactly where the spacing needs adjustment. Click into the content area and place your cursor between the two blocks where you want more or less space. Open the block inserter, then use the search field and type spacer. Select the spacer block to insert it between those two blocks. The spacer adds a dedicated, adjustable gap that you control. With the spacer selected, you can fine-tune the height. Drag the handle on the block itself, or use the settings panel to enter an exact value. If you want a larger gap quickly, open the block's options and choose duplicate. Each duplicate adds the same amount of space, which is helpful when you want consistent increments. Click the spacer again and duplicate as needed until the layout breathes the way you like. If you accidentally insert it in the wrong spot, just drag it to the correct position in the list view or directly on the canvas. If the gap looks too large after duplicating, you can remove the extra space by selecting a spacer and deleting it, or by lowering its height. This is the simplest way to reduce blank space without disrupting the surrounding content. Keep in mind that some themes also apply padding or margins to specific blocks, so if the spacing still looks off, check the block's dimension settings to see whether built-in margins are adding to the gap. When everything looks good, return to your page overview if needed, then save your work. Click Save and wait for the confirmation to complete. If you see a launch prompt after saving, click it to push the changes live so visitors see the updated spacing on your site. That's it. You opened the site editor, inserted a spacer block by searching for it, duplicated it to increase space where needed, adjusted or removed it to tighten things up, and then saved and launched your changes. With this simple approach, you can quickly control the rhythm of your content and keep your pages clean, balanced, and easy to read.